Hello everyone, good day to you all. Today I want to respond to a few questions raised about how to attach your own preferred signature aside the signature preset by the admin. So I want to show you how to do that. Secondly, I want to show you how to recall an email that was sent. I remember that within a few minutes you sent it and you remember something, and maybe something you need to add or you need to remove. I'll show you how to record the email. I'll show you how to make audio calls, video calls, and share your screen. And I'll encourage you to download the various apps available on Zoho that you use on a daily basis. Remember from the previous video, I showed you how you can set up your own signature. So after clicking on settings from there, you scroll down to signature here. This is the preferred signature I set after the preset signature by the admin, and you can see that this preset signature by the admin, there's a notification here saying this signature has been set by your organization. You do not have the permission to edit it here. Okay, so you cannot edit this here. Okay, so, but you have the option of you adding your own signature, which we've already covered in the last uh, video. So if you now want to choose between these, because anytime you want to compose an email, your preset admin signature is what's going to show up. But what if you want to use your own preferred signature every now and then? Okay, this is what you need to do. You come to, if you want to reply an email, you come to reply. I'm just trying to open an email right now. Okay, if you go to reply, the preset signature is the default. That is what will show up all the time. But you can add your own signature. That is the signature you've actually configured or prepared. So click on these three dotted lines up here and scroll down to signature, and you pick your own preferred signature, and there you go. Just hit here. Okay, the second option is if you forget here, you can actually come to this format section, this format bar. Okay, and you click on this drop down here and you look out for this sign which shows insert signature. Okay, so you click on it and it brings you to this same place, and you click on your own preferred signature, and there you go. Okay, so that's how to do that. So I'm gonna close this right now. Okay, so discard these tracks, and that is gone. Okay, so the next one I said I was going to show you, I'm trying to make this video very short. The next one I said I'm going to show you is to how to recall a message. Okay, so I'm clicking on new email right now. Okay, let me just pick a few people from here. Let me pick who else again. This person. Okay, I don't want to add this. Okay, let me just say testing email. Okay, recall or function. Okay, so I'll say hello, or uh, please ignore. Okay, just trying to check the recall email recall email function on Zoho. Okay, full stop. Okay, so once I send this email, so let's see, once I send this email, it's showing mail sent. Okay, so, and for instance, I didn't finish, or I sent it to a wrong recipient. I can come back to send. Okay, click here and come to this, scroll down to recall, or just open it up. Okay, come to this place, Okay, click on recall. Okay, and it's going to ask you, recall will delete the copy of email from the recipient account if not deleted or shared. Okay, that's the condition. If not deleted or shared, it will be able to recall this email, a copy of this from the recipient account, those you sent to. However, this, the recipient will be notified, sorry, about a recall attempt. Do you want to recall? Yes, we want to recall. So we're recalling this message. Okay, an attempt has been made to recall this email. Email was successfully recalled, and that's it. Okay, so with this, you can quickly, as you like, try to recall emails previously sent either to a wrong account or the wrong content or uh, at inappropriate time. Okay, so that's how to do that. The next that I want to show you now is how to make an audio call, a video call to people in your email, but it must be done with people within your organization or people that you know that are using Zoho email or Zoho Workplace. Okay, so you can do that by when you have an email from, let me scroll down and pick someone within the organization anyway. Okay, scroll down to, uh, let me just pick this person, Mr. Matthew. Okay, so I can chat this person up with this. Okay, you can see previous chats. Okay, and I can either call this person up from here, call, video, share your screen. If you want the person to be able to see what you're doing or share another browser or another tab or another window, you can just pick from share your screen. You can video call, you can audio call. So let me click on audio call and you can see it's initializing and now it's calling the person, the Matthew. Okay, if it's online, either on his desktop or on his phone. If the recipient has uh, Zoho click on his phone, he can pick the call as well from his own phone. If not, and he has the desktop version open up to him, he can pick the call as well. Okay, so I'm going to end this right now. So you can also do a video call, just like I said. Okay, and you can chat this person up as you want. Okay, um, hello. I was trying to reach you, but I guess you are busy today. You're busy now. Please call me back when you are available. Okay. Okay. So this person can actually see this chat if he has it on his phone. That is, if he has click Zoho click on his phone. It's like WhatsApp. It's like yes, it's like WhatsApp, but it has more advantage over WhatsApp because this is within an organization. Okay, using WhatsApp to communicate within the work environment is not actually ideal and not entirely secure. Okay, this is a more secured platform where you can share ideas, share emails, share documents, files using this chat uh, app called Zoho Click. Okay, so that's how to do all that. So today I've been able to show you how you can attach your own preferred signature, how you can recall an email that was sent to either a wrong account or or inappropriate time, or yes, and how you can actually make audio and video call using Click. Okay, but please remember, for you to enjoy all this on the go, you need to install this app on your phone. Install Zoho Mail, install Zoho Click on your mobile phone. It's available on iOS and Android, um, as you wish whichever device you like to use. It's all available. Just download it, add your official account to it, and voila, you're good to go. Please download the app and enjoy the benefits of using Zoho Workplace. Okay, please, guys, I would like to encourage you to like this video, to encourage me to do more videos like this. I keep doing more research, keep learning how to use this uh, platform to benefit and to improve our work environment and the way we do things. Okay, like this video and subscribe as well, so that perhaps Google AI can begin to recognize the page and can begin to grow. So thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching. Please drop your comments in the comment section of this video, and let's continue to share more ideas on how to improve. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.